Hi everyone, it's Aribami from PalmtechnIQ. Are you passionate about building websites but you don't know where and how to start? This web development crash course is for you. I'll be your tutor and you would actually learn the fundamentals of web development. You would actually learn how to build a website from scratch. This course is perfect for absolute beginners with zero coding experiences. I will take it step by step so that you can understand the full scope of web development in full. You would actually build websites with your bare hands from scratch. As a web developer with my level of experience, I've built several websites for dozens of companies and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. In this course, you will be diving into the essential building blocks of the web: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even Tailwind, React, and Next.js. This crash course will equip you with the knowledge to build your own website, impress potential employers, and access high-demand web development opportunities. Don't wait. Enroll in the web development crash course now and start building your web development future. So visit the PalmtechnIQ website for more information. See you there.